As I'd mentioned before, I was going to open up the canister of the central vac to see what we picked up throughout the entire house. I've emptied the canister before we even started, but now after the past couple of days vacuuming, this is what we picked up. I'm not too surprised by the amount of fluff we picked up. As a matter of fact, there's a little bit much less in here because I know this was done not too long ago, but I'm definitely surprised by the amount of dust and all the sand that was in the carpet that we picked up. It's pretty impressive. To get a better idea of what we picked up, I'm gonna empty this. Normally I'll do it in the trash can, but just gonna do it for this demonstration only. But yeah, look at that. What we picked up. Pretty impressed with this thing. This is one of my all-time favorite vacuum cleaners ever made. Just such a fun vacuum to use, very powerful. Love the looks of it. Features are so cool. It's just such a joy to use. And one thing I will say though, that I do like about Vacumaid's rival brand VacuFlow battery is if you look up into the canister, I don't know if you can see that clear or not, but there's a little bit of dirt and debris clogged inside the screen. With the VacuFlow, usually it doesn't really clog up nearly as much as compared to a VacuFlow from what I've experienced. So, you know, as much as I love Vacumaid, but if I were in the market for a central vac, and if I wanted something cyclonic, I would be much better off to get a VacuFlow instead. But other than that, it's again still a good vacuum, American made. It has one of the most powerful central vac motors built into it. I just wish though, whoever designed this house or whoever put this unit in would put the exhaust outside of the house instead of underneath the house. And also I wish that one of the inlets would have been closer to one of the outlets to plug one of the power hits in. That's where I had to get one of the extension cords right here and plug in the power nozzle for it. But other than that, I always enjoy using this. I mean, this thing never disappoints. I hope you enjoyed this entire vacuuming series here. And again, if you want to see more vacuuming videos with this, but with the GoPro or tripod, I'll see what I can do. Just post your comment down below. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed.